Shit. But it's crazy. Like, he had one hand on the. What the? Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Ah! Ah! Oh my god! What is he do? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh shit! I don't know.
Babe,
What the hell is going on?
reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh fuck! I'm
Oh
shaking.
my god. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Fuck! Oh my god.
Where on the Brown Parkway?
Oh, holy shit! You know, after that turn.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
god.
it's okay.
Alright,
Just,
hold on.
just.
Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait.
What was that?
Something at me
and throwing stuff out the window.
and now
and
they're
speeding and
he just hit us.
He just hit my car.
He just hit my car. He's having a road rage accident.
It's a white Tahoe. It looks fairly new. They keep slamming on their brakes in front of me and throwing stuff
Now
out
he's
the
trying to
window.
fight.
He's trying to fight us, hit us with his car and stuff. And I have it all on video. He just
Hey, chill out, bro. I got a kid. I have a baby.
We have a baby in the car. And
I have a baby.
On the highway.
He
This
just
is insane. And he just hit him.
Holy
What the?
I don't know that I stopped because he wants to fight us.
He's trying to fight us. He just.
I don't know
we're
if
on
I
the highway
stop.
Right now, we're on the highway.
Give me the gun.
His mum's birthday is on Saturday. I think. No, it might be on the Friday. It's a fucking moron doing it. Drive like a fuckhead. You see that guy trying to overtake me in the bike lane? Look, now he's up on here. What's wrong with this guy?
This psycho. That's what he just did then. Oh my god, he's psycho. Are you alright? Sorry, there's a guy cutting me off at the green area. Go. Woo! A fucking jackass! What are you doing? You almost caused an accident 3 times. I have you on camera.
Come out the car. Come out the car.
You ran a light. Oh, you fucking loser.
Stay. Fuck you.
You lucky I don't have it.
Fuck you.
You ran a light. You're crazy. This man just spit at me.
You guys are all fucking spinning and disturbing. Just because it's 4th of July doesn't mean you give a fucking dick.
You're drunk as
you,
fuck.
Nigga. Fuck you, dog.
You're the one swerving. I was just following you.
I'm the one swerving?
Oh,
I'm the one fucking swerving?
yeah, it was actually... Oh, there she goes. And, okay.